Hello techies, welcome to Automation Edge, industry's first RPA as a service. In this session, we will learn how to sign up into Automation Edge for free. To sign up for Automation Edge, we need to log in into automationedge.com. This is the official website for the Automation Edge. There you can see a lot of tabs over here. One is products, solutions, customers, pricing, resources and documents, and you are having company. To get the free trial version of the Automation Edge, to practice it, there we are having the option called sign up for free. All right. On the right hand side also you are having a free trial version. There you can go ahead and you can get it. Click on free trial. Before going to sign up into this free trial version, it will give you the pricing. All right. Based on our pricing, it will go, you can see over here as a starter, you can have 30 minutes bot time. Another one business, that is the different prices you have. For the edge, you are having different pricing you are having, and the professional and the enterprises. These are all the different versions that we are having for the Automation Edge. Now we are going to select any one of the version based on our requirement. All right. Now I'm going to select 30 days free trial version over here. There it will redirect to sign up page. There you have to provide the details over here. Start with RPA as. All right. You can see over here, I'm going to give the first name as Learning Technologies, last name Technologies, and I will give the company as LT, job title, team lead, and the country I will provide India, and after that the phone number you will provide. Over here there is a mandatory thing is there, that is email ID and the password. I'm going to provide the email ID and the respective password, so that what will happen, it will create a new account in the Automation Edge based on the username. All right. Over here we are going to select the option I'm not a robot, and then we're going to click on submit. Once you will click on submit, you will get an email ID with these details, Automation Edge login details. All right. There you can see customer success management, that is from csm@automationedge.com. There you can see you are having the URL and the username, you will get it. All right. Now over here, if you observe the URL to log in into the Automation Edge to develop our bots, there we are going to use the URL, that is t4.automationedge.com. Let me go to the URL, that is t4.automationedge.com. If you see over here, this is the UI to create our bots, right? First of all, I'm going to give my username over here, and the respective password, I will provide that, and click on sign in. This is how it will looks like for the Automation Edge. There you can see I'm having home page, and you can see the trial version over here. I'm having trial version which I have used for the professional, so that the licensing is going to expiring for me for 13 days. And the agents you can see, and the step units, the process studios, you will get all the details at the home page. And after that, on the left hand side, if you see, I'm having users, workflows, agents, catalog, requests, logs, and whatnot. There you can see I'm having plugins, process studio, file management, resources. These are all the tabs which we're having inside the Automation Edge. All right. In the next tutorial, I will walk through about these tabs which are available in the Automation Edge. Thank you for watching Automation Edge. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.